Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing two altcoins which I'm going to buy, and in my opinion they have a potential to go 20 to 50 times their original price. Of course, smash the like button and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment below if you have any question throughout this whole thing, because I'm going to give you two crazy prediction, guys. So number one I want to show you today, which I believe is going to go and have a very meaningful, powerful impact, is going to be Jasmy Coin, guys. Jasmy Coin is an altcoin which has been around for a while, so I'm going to give you some price prediction. And the next one I want to show you today as well, which I think is going to do very well, is also Velo USDT, which in my opinion has a very high potential. I'm going to show you from a technical point of view all the charts and how high it's going to go to. Guys, I'm going to only cover two altcoins for today, but if you want to, of course, understand more prediction based on technicals, what you can do, you can join our VIP group, guys. VIP group, it's our flagship membership where we post trading analysis, altcoin analysis, medium term, short term, at request. So whenever you are a member of the VIP, you're going to be surrounded by professional traders, investors who know already what to do in these kind of scenarios. We have long-term predictions, short-term predictions. So whether you are an investor or a trader, you're always going to be up to date. We're going to have trading calls, crypto chat with our most experienced members. So guys, if you want to join, I'm going to show you where you have to go. So you're going to see a video over here. It's going to always be in the description below. Join the VIP group. But otherwise, if you want to learn our strategy, the one that enabled me to turn $45,000 into 1.1 million, you can just click over here, learn the $1 million strategy, and you will not regret it. Now, let's go straight away into our beautiful two altcoins I was talking about, Jasmy and Velo, just to give you a price prediction. But before, I want to show you when and what we need to look for before those are going to start to pump like there is no tomorrow. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, I'm going to go here and find the Bitcoin dominance. So market cap dominance of Bitcoin. As you can see over here, this is very important, guys. So I was actually showing to so many people the reason why we still haven't seen an alt season. People asking me, where is alt season? Where is alt season? Is coming, okay? So you have to be patient. If you're an investor, you have to be patient, okay? You need to be able to hold your coins at least for another 12 months, and then we should be seeing a nice alt season. At the moment, guys, Bitcoin is pumping to the upside. It's going to this market cap dominance, which means that everybody is taking money away from altcoins, put them into Bitcoin because they are expecting a big pump coming to the upside. And as a consequence, all the money going to Bitcoin, and they take them out from altcoins. But once we're going to see this break of structure over here, guys, of this, we can say is a rising channel. Okay, over here, once we're going to see these to break down like that, like this happened in 2021, what happened here, we are going to see finally our nice alt season. As I said before, I'm not expecting lots of altcoins to do more than a 5 or 6x, but some of them I think they're going to do very well. Number one, guys, is Jasmy. Jasmy Coin, as I was explaining before. What is the utility of Jasmy Coin? I don't know, and I don't give a damn, to be honest, because in my opinion, those are just tools, coins just to pump and dump. If you have your white paper and utility and all of that, you can tell me that this is going to go to the moon because of this and this and this. Be my guest, invest this one for the next 20 years. But for me, I like to pump and dump, make money because I am a trader. So what I'm going to do now here, guys, Jasmy Coin, I'm going to go and drop my Fibonacci retracement on the weekly chart and see where we could be going potentially if you're going to keep pumping to the upside. In my opinion, guys, the best outlook we can see with Jasmy Coin is going to be roughly around here at the 1.618 Fibonacci. Jasmy Coin right now has a market cap of roughly $1.5 billion, and then going into, of course, a 20x from here at 0.60, we're going to see a market cap of $30 billion. Is that achievable? Of course it is, because I mean, look at Bitcoin, Solana, and all of that. They have a market cap way higher than this. So what I'm going to be seeing from here, guys, is not going to go like so many people think we're going to go up like this after our season, guys. It's going to be just a structure. I'm going to show you what you have to do and what you need to look for. So What is going to be happening in general whenever you see these altcoins getting destroyed, especially like this? What I always look for is a retracement of this area over here called the Fibonacci retracement. And what I want to see right now here, because right now, in my opinion, we are going into what we call a disbelief phase, where you see pretty much a little pump, dump. People say there is no more alt season and blah, blah, blah. So what we're going to be seeing could be a nice pump to the upside whenever Bitcoin has finished its movement. So whenever you're going to see Bitcoin finishing, going to 90K, 95K, and then dropping, we could be seeing Jasmy Coin maybe to go to up to here, 0.09, have a correction, maybe up to here, have a correction, and then the most important is going to be this one over here. So 61.8 retracement around this area is going to be very important, because what we could be seeing from here could be a bigger correction, maybe down from here from 0.027 to 0.22, 10x from here. We could have seen maybe a big drop down to this area. And then if Bitcoin decides to go up to 120K, 150K, we're going to see this last parabolic blow off top with alt season, which could be something like this, retracement, and then something like this. Now, what am I going to do myself if we're going to go in this situation? Guys, myself, personally, I'm going to sell 80% of my holdings once we're going to be reaching this level over here. Why? Because if you're investing, let's say 20K, 30K, 40K, doing a 10X from there, 8X will be a 300, 400K. And for me, there is no point to risk that we're going to see this again, because this could happen 100%. But I would say as a maximum target, I could see for Jasmy, could be a 0.59. Some people will argue and say we're going to go way higher than that, even up to $1. But in my opinion, I think that's going to be a very valid target for us to go over there. Because remember, we're still at $1.5 billion market cap. Going to 30 billion is achievable, but go to 100, 200 billion, that's going to be way, way harder. So I would say that right now, the prediction for me for Jasmy Coin is going to be this one, 0.25 is going to be a great point to sell your coins, even a little bit lower, maybe 0.19. Then wait to see a rejection from there, and then assess the situation, because then we could be seeing another pump to the upside. And the next one I want to show you guys, which is quite interesting as well, is Velo USD. Velo, I'm actually way more bullish than Jasmy. Velo has only $82 million market cap, and in my opinion, I'm going to show you how high it could go to. So at the moment, guys, I'm going to go on the weekly chart. Some people are asking me, is it going to recover and go back to all-time high? And the clear answer right now is no. I don't think it's going to go back to all-time high at 1.93. However, what we could be seeing is going to be quite interesting as well. So let me just cancel over here, and let me just go and connect these 2 points over here with my Fibonacci retrace. So I'm going to do the same thing as I was saying before, Fibonacci retracement 0.618 from this point over here. So in my opinion, what is going to be happening with Velo? Only because I'm not expecting a new all-time high, because it has lost so much value. And again, I might be totally wrong. It's going to go up to $2. Who knows? But in my opinion, Velo has a very high chance to go around this area over here. So at the moment, we are at 0.01. So let's say, for instance, we're going to long from this area over here. Okay. So I'm going to go and I'm going to bring it up to here. So Velo, in my opinion, can pump up to this level over here. So it could have a 50x increase. So looking at the market cap, guys, $80 million times 50, how much is going to be? $4 billion. So $4 billion market cap is not that much like you think of. So if you're going to have a full-blown alt season, those coins who have been completely bashed could definitely have this big pump to the upside. Am I going to sell everything over here, guys? And the answer, of course, is no. I'm not going to go and be like, I'm going to wait for the 50x to come, because I might be totally wrong. What I want to see from here, guys, in my opinion, a great point to sell, I would say 80% of the coins, is going to be around here. Simple as that. So from there to there, and now I'm going to disappoint you. Oh, went very high here. It's only a 7x, 6, 7x from here. And why am I going to do that? Again, playing with $20,000, $30,000. The 7x is $200,000. Sure, it could go up to $50,000. Sorry, to 50x, 100%. That's why I'm going to keep 20x. I'm going to keep 20% of my holdings. I'm going to keep maybe $3,000 or $4,000 because in that case, I could be making another, I don't know, 200K with that. But I'm not betting on Velo to go as high. Again, I'm expecting as a maximum target a 50x from here, but I'm not saying this is going to happen. So again, be smart when it comes to altcoin season, when it comes to these parabolic crazy moves, and think about the levels. We have an important level here. Another very important level is around this area over here as well, which could be, again, I'm going to check with this one. It's a 24x from here. So remember all the time, whenever you are 10x, 15x, 20x, to start to really sell your altcoins, because the risk that we're going to see a little bit of this and then this is way higher. And what you can do, you can just sell them at 10x, 20x from here and then wait for the next bear market and accumulate more. That's very simple. It's a simple game of cycles. It's a pump and dump game. It's manipulated by these big institutions, and YouTube, you can meme me if you want, but it's true. It's true. Unfortunately, it's all manipulated. And if you know TA, technical analysis, you're going to get out from here. Why do I know this? Because I know. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I really hope it was helpful. But if you want more analysis, about altcoins and price prediction and all of that, guys, join our VIP group. You will not regret it. And if you want to learn how to trade and make this kind of results, guys, please be my guest and join us, because you're going to learn how to trade. Watch my FTA $1 million strategy, because you're going to be able to kick the crypto market like this. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.